Where to find the spatial audio settings, which is a new feature found on a Google Pixel phone, whether it's the Pixel 6, 7, or 8 with Android 14. In order to find the spatial audio settings and turn it on, use the quick access, pull it down twice till you see this right there. Once in the main settings now, you're going to look for sounds and vibration. This right here. As you enter here now, you'll be taken to this section here, and you want to go down until you see spatial audio. So this is only going to work for connected wired devices to your phone, or if you have a Bluetooth device. And I currently have this on here connected to a MPOW M30 wireless earbuds. So let me just show you something here quickly. If you do connect it, you can go into your Bluetooth settings here by long pressing. And for the connected devices, you can tap on the settings here. And while viewing the details of that connected Bluetooth earphones or device, you will see the spatial audio here. This option here becomes available when you have a connected device, like in sub.